CITIC Telecom CPC is a major international ICT services provider with a well-renowned expertise in cloud. And here in Singapore, I'm joined by Jackie Kwok, the company's Chief Commercial Officer. Jackie, thanks for speaking to us at Total Telecom. Can I just ask you first of all, in terms of the cloud, what for you are some of the key trends, particularly in the enterprise space?
Thank you, Brian. Thank you for having me here today. The key trends on cloud, what we see coming from two drivers. The first one coming from the consumer front, of course. Everybody's familiar with it. We've got a lot of photos and everything that we wanted to put on the cloud. So we see it's going to skyrocketing this year. On the second front, on the enterprise side, over the past decade or so, I think enterprises are now become more mature. They are entering into more higher demand on cloud. From the actual application front, there will become more variety being introduced into a cloud in the enterprise space. Say for example, the AI application on cloud, anything you got to put onto the cloud, a algorithm will then be applied to the contents or digital asset that you have been putting into the cloud. On the other front, it will then be a multi-cloud environment. Most of the enterprises, they wanted to get the best of different cloud services provider, so it will then introduce complication into their cloud environment. At CPC, we are prepared for this. We have our multi-cloud overlay management platform under our smart cloud services portfolio. So I think that's the key trends happening on cloud.
So this is how you see growing your cloud business, is it?
Right. You see, in terms of growing our cloud business, fundamentally we are putting a lot of effort onto strengthening our infrastructure. We are opening up more cloud data centers, putting in more connectivity, connecting different cloud centers. And again, as I mentioned before, the multi-cloud environment, we are also interworking with various different cloud services providers to work hand in hand with those cloud services providers.
What sort of differentiates CITIC? Tell us, why should you be chosen over your competition?
Right. In terms of differentiating ourselves, let me draw the parallel of quadruplay. If you're familiar in the old days, quadruplay covers voice, data, mobile, and internet. At CPC, our version of quadruplay cover TrueConnect, our connectivity suite, smart cloud platform, our cloud services, and then the data center suite that would allow our customer to host the equipment. And finally, last but not least, more importantly, the Trust CSI, our cyber security suite. So I think with our quadruplay, we will be able to bring a lot of value to our enterprise customer. That's how we differentiate.
So where would you like to see the company in the next sort of 3 to 5 years?
Well, in the next 3 to 5 years, CPC will remain very focused with our enterprise customer. As our corporate mission says, innovation never stops. The true meaning of it is we are living through the journey of innovation together, hand in hand with our customers. And the journey of digitalization has never been an easy one. And then I think with CPC, working closely together with the enterprise, we will be able to bring a lot of value to our customers.
It sounds like it's going to be a very interesting 3 to 5 years. In the meantime, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you very much, Brian.